Welcome to a regular broadcast of NOVA Airmada's channel into the histories of one 400 scale model aircraft. Today we cover the lifetime career of the Royal Dutch Airlines, also known as KLM, Boeing 777-306ER, wearing KLM's 100th anniversary Orange Pride special livery. This aircraft is powered by two General Electric GE90 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 115,300 pounds force or 513 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 550 passengers maximum in an all-economy layout, but this would be limited to 396 passengers for a two-class configuration. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 482 knots or 892 kilometers an hour, with a range of about 7,300 nautical miles or about 13,700 kilometers with a standard payload. Originally, this 777-306ER was first delivered to KLM on February 12th of 2008. At this time, the aircraft was wearing KLM's most recent version of their blue top livery that had been worn on the KLM aircraft in one shape or form since 1972. The aircraft was registered as PH-BVA, and the aircraft also gained the name the Hoge Veluwe National Park, a national park in the Gelderland of the Netherlands. Apologies to the speakers of the Dutch language. Around 2014, the aircraft got painted in the current KLM livery, where the forward portion of the blue top livery wraps partially around the fuselage, as seen in these photos. After 8 years in service with KLM, and not even 2 years after the aircraft's most recent new paint scheme, the aircraft was painted again in the 100th anniversary Orange Pride special livery. At the time of this video, in April of 2023, the aircraft continues to fly with this special livery. Here now you will see a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini jets version of this aircraft. Released in 2021, this model shows the aircraft in the Orange Pride special livery it gained in 2016. This aircraft has been reproduced numerous times as seen on this video, anywhere from 1/200 through 1/400, all the way down to 1/500 scales, with each livery worn by this aircraft represented. This particular model can be found in many online shops and in eBay for anywhere from $45 to $50 in US dollars. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. We hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we've had making it. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos, helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you, and good day.